Alright, so we're going to start on installing these upper and lower control arms from CPP. First we're going to take and pull the bolt out of the rear end here that holds it to the rear end, and then we're going to remove this bolt up here. Now we're going to start working on pulling this lower one here. This lower one's a little bit different because you got to go through the frame here in order to get to it, so it's a little bit tricky. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's right in there somewhere. Alright, so there are our original upper and lower control arms. Let's start getting the new ones in. Alright guys, so we got us some lower control arms from CPP, but we ended up getting them from Speedway. And we're going to open them up and show you what you got.
They're packing pretty good. Don't want to get scratched up.
Got some new bolts and some fancy stickers. Alright, so these are going to be the lowers. We didn't go with adjustable lowers, but we did get adjustable uppers. And they seem to be pretty fancy. They got polyurethane bushings in them. They got the place for the sway bar. We'll get that unboxed in a minute. Got a really nice coating on them. Alright, so we got our lower control arms, and then they actually sent us some polyurethane bushings for the upper and the rear end housing, but we got new bushings on the rear end, so we ain't gonna replace those. But we did swing for the adjustable uppers, and they've also got this spherical bushing in them, so you don't have to twist all over the place, and it's supposed to help with the axle wrap and all that other good stuff. But they're fully adjustable. Seem like they're a pretty nice piece. We'll find out whenever we go together. Alright, and we also got, with this kit, come with a sway bar. Big old heavy nasty thing. Ow, it's a bolt.
Works comp.
Alright, so we got this nice fancy sway bar here. Let's see if we can get her out of the package.
Trying to get rid of that fat girl wobble.
Alright, so we got a nice sway bar to go back here on the back. That'll help the ride and the burnout action a little better. So we'll start getting this on and show you guys how it works. Alright, so believe it or not, I did kind of read the instructions on these, and they want you to point that grease zerk to the bottom. Well, I tried that and it doesn't work. There's not enough room on the bottom to ever get a grease gun on there, so we're going to go against their instructions and put them towards the top. Alright, so after a couple of choice words, we got our upper installed. So now we're going to move on to the lower. Now the lower's got a spot for a sway bar, and it's kind of got some stickers for indication. But the flat part, as you can see here, it goes towards the inside of the car, that way you can get the sway bar on. So we'll start installing this one. Now I am going to have to take and open this pocket up a little bit due to my other bushings being flat wore out and this being squeezed. So we'll take a pry bar and get in there and open that up a little bit.
You'll be over with a hammer in a minute, beat the floor up.
Give me that man card, bitch.
Did you get it on there? How?
Fucking good, son.
Shit, you got about a half inch, not even that. Can't even get your 2 fingers in there. Right in the grill.
I don't know if we can tighten it, but it's on there.
Cool.
It's extra.
Dude, that's a FedEx guy.
What?
That's a FedEx truck.
Bullshit.
Bullshit, he's going right there, the man.
Must have been green on the side.
Yeah, the FedEx logo?
Yeah.
Yeah, FedEx ground.
Yeah.
He was hammered down too. He must have a flow master on that. FedEx truck.
We're getting on it, wasn't it?
Yeah. I'm telling your boss! You done yet?
Need one of them ratchet wrenches. So I think I could get a ratchet wrench in there, but I ain't got one.
drill. Where are you? I see ya. So if I get this hung up, break my wrist off.
I feel like an old 305 of glass packs, making a bunch of noise, ain't going nowhere.
After fighting with it half a day, we finally got the coilovers on. Brackets. Set it back on its own. Slow bar in. It wasn't no easy task.
I almost feel like that I need to go in there and change the tune. I know it's gonna be all bad.
Coilovers hit the exhaust, so we had to do a little whacking. Oh, it's sitting on its own. It's about an inch lower than the factory in the rear. Let us know what you think. It's time to see if we can tear 2 tires off instead of 1. I just heard, I didn't feel no boat wobble though, for sure.